The following is a morning walk conversation with His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on March 24th, 1974 in Bombay, India.
The first business is to fix up the mind at the lotus feet of Krishna. Then engage the tongue in describing the activities of Krishna. Therefore Krishna has acted in so many ways so that we can remember the history of the activities of Krishna and describe. Pachangsi Vaikuntha Gunana. Then the legs should be used for going to the temple. Hands should be used for cleansing the temple. Nose should be used for smelling the flowers offered. Ears should be used for hearing about Krishna. In this way, if we engage our senses in different activities relating to Krishna, that is successful. This is Krishna consciousness. Vachangsi Vaikuntha Gunanuvandana. Aye, Shraddha. So, now we can talk. Hare Krishna. बहुत दिन बाद अब practical purposes. This land and that water is matter. But we are walking on the land. Can we walk on the water?
Who is walking?
Huh? You are walking, I am walking.
Our body is walking.
So long you are
Body is matter.
in the body, so you have to behave duality. You cannot say oneness. When you are liberated from the body, that is another thing. For practical purposes, this philosophy was discussed by the mother of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu when he was a child. This philosophy. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was given very nice sweetmeats to eat. So, instead of eating the sweetmeat, he was eating the dirt. So, Mother said, my dear child, why you are eating dirt? I have given you sandesh. Mother, what is the difference between this, dirt and sandesh? It is all Brahma. You see? So, his mother said, my dear child, you are all right. Just like this is earth and there is earthen pot. So if you want to keep water, you cannot throw the water on the ground. You have to take the earthen pot. So this philosophy of oneness and difference was already discussed when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was a child. Simultaneously one and different. Yes. Earthen pot and earth, actually, from the material point of view, they are the same thing. But if you want to keep water, you cannot keep it on the ground. You have to take to the jug. बोलिए सरदार जी ठीक है?
I promise you I won't. Because you are trying to choke me.
No, I am not. We should have discussion. That is nice.
Shall we then start?
Yeah.
Under your command?
Yes.
All right. Maya adyakshe.
मयाध्यक्षेन प्रकृति श्वेते सच्चराचरम् हेतुनानि न कौन्तेय जगत भी परिवर्तते.
That means because of
my direction. Hetunarena, on this account, Maya Dhakshena, under my superintendence. Just like these boys and girls, my students, they are working under my direction. They are individual. I am also individual. And they have got their independence to obey or not to obey. But still, they are directed under my supervision. Similarly, this material nature has got individual power. Sisti sthiti pralaya sadhana shakti ka achayi vajasya bhavanani vibhakti durga. But still, jasya ichhanurupamopi chestate sa. That material nature is working under the direction of the Supreme Person. Therefore, Govind Namadi Purusha. Oh, आपको तो बहुत दिन देखा तबीयत ठीक है.
We call him baby. He is innocent like a baby.
Yeah, that is very good qualification. But sometimes babies are misled.
यथा प्रवृत्ति भूतानाम येन सर्वम इदं ततं.
Yeah.
स्वकर्मातम अभ्यर्च सिद्धि सिद्धि
Samsiddhi lavate na.
So now let us understand. येन सर्वम इदं ततं.
Jena sarva. Jena. That is person. Jena. That is not imperson. That is person. Is it not?
You have to say yes before you.
No. You are a Sanskrit scholar.
No, I am not. I am just knowing little Sanskrit.
No. Jena. This word means person.
Yaha, saha, asau.
Jaya, Jena. This is person.
Swakarmana tamarjap abhyarcha.
Yes.
Siddhi mindatiman. Now that girl, the doctor lady, you choked the other day. In the morning. She poor thing wanted that I am practicing medicine and serving people, and you call you are a fool and you are a damn fool. Well, she is doing the
He is not serving.
her own
He is serving everyone is serving money.
Just for service, then she is all right.
Swakarmana from abhyarcha. Siddhim
Right.
mindati.
This serving, everyone is serving unless he pays no service.
There is no service.
That is not service.
If we expect payment,
Yeah.
Karmandev adhikaras mafaleshu kadacha.
Yeah, service.
But
Krishna.
hell comes automatical, then do you want to throw it away in the sea?
It is everyone in this material world serving somebody.
Yes,
Serving somebody.
that's right.
Because he is servant.
He is serving somebody
No,
or everybody.
That's it. No.
More or less it is so correlated.
Everybody or somebody. Everyone's servant is nobody's servant. That is the English problem. Anyway, the service is different. You cannot live without service. That is not possible. Any one of us serving somebody. But the result is this material service. I have given several times the example that Mahatma Gandhi, he gave so much service, the result was he was killed. He was killed. Nobody thought, that person did not think that this gentleman, old man, he has given so much service to us. Suppose I do not agree with him. Oh, how can I kill? So, people are so much ingrateful. You see, that whatever service you may render, they will never be satisfied.
The service, swakarmana, the karma.
No,
according to
first of
your-
all, I
your-
am describing the service. What is service? Service means a servant, a master. And the transaction between the master and the servant is called service. Try to understand what is service. So we have created so many masters. The wife master, the family master, the country master, the legislative master, this master, that master. You see? And we are giving service. Oh, it is my duty, I am giving service. But ask anybody if you are satisfied. You say, what you have done?
You won't be satisfied.
No, will never be satisfied. Kama, but this service is service to my kam, krodh, lobh, moh, matsarya. I am giving service to my wife because she satisfies me by sense gratification. Therefore, I am not giving service to my wife, but I am giving service to my senses. So ultimately, we are servant of the senses. We are nobody's servant. This is our material position.
We have to understand.
Yes. Ultimately, we are servant of our senses.
You are the servant of your ego.
So, the position is, constitutionally I am servant. But at the present moment, being conditioned by the material nature, I am giving service to my senses. Hare Krishna. But if I give service to the master of the senses, Rishikesha, because senses, they are not independent. They are also dependent. Suppose I am now moving my hands, but if the master of my hand, Krishna, paralyzes it, no more moving, neither I can renovate the moving capacity of my hand. Therefore I am not master. Although I am claiming I am master of my hand, master of my leg, but actually I am not. The master is different. Therefore Krishna's another name is Rishikesh, master of the senses. Therefore the service should be transferred. Rishikena Rishikesha Sevarang Bhaktincha. We have engaged our senses for different purposes. But when we engage our senses for the service of the master of the senses, that is called bhakti. Bhakti is also service. But it is not service to the senses, but it is service to the master of the senses. This is bhakti. So constitutionally I am servant. I cannot become master. I have to serve. So if I don't serve the master of the senses, then I will have to serve the senses. This is how.
I wanted a little exposition on this Swakarmana Tamadya.
Yeah, Sakarmana.
Swakarmana. Now the karma of a man, I will speak for a while. Huh?
Yes.
The karma of a man depends upon his position in the society, whether
Yes.
he is a Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra,
Yes.
like me.
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
And whether he is a sannyasi or a grahastha.
Oh, yes.
That karma.
Yes.
And that karma when he does
Uh-huh.
without expectation of any fruits, that karma is as good as bhakti according to this line. Sakarma tam abhyarcha siddhim vindatu.
Then without the result should be there. The tam unto Krishna. Give the result to Krishna. Tam abharcha. Not sell. You earn lakhs of rupees, but tam abharcha. Give to Krishna. Not take it yourself or distribute among your children. That is service. Tam abharcha. Tam abharcha. What do I understand this word? Tam.
Karmana.
Tam abharcha.
Karmana.
Yes.
How can you abhyarcha the karma?
No.
That is what I want to know.
Not karma.
Karmana abhyarcha.
Karmana by your work. Just like you are working as a medical practitioner. So you earn lakhs of rupees. Give to Krishna. That is Tamabharcha. Then he becomes perfect. That is also confirmed in Bhagavata. You have already explained that our karma, according to Varna and Ashrama. So, Atapum is just system. Varna Ashrama Vibhagas. Everyone is working according to Varna and Ashrama. So, Sanusthita Dharmasya. Anyone who is serving according to his dharma, an engineer, a doctor or somebody else, according to his occupational duty he is serving. But he has to see. Sakarmana tamabharcha, Samsiddhi, it is Gita, and it is said, Sanusthita dharmasya, Samsiddhi. Perfection. What is that? Haritosana. We have to see whether Krishna is satisfied. So you earn lakhs of rupees and give it to Krishna. Krishna said, that karosi, never mind what you are doing, Kurushetat mother, give me it. No, sir. I am serving you, but the money is in my pocket.
Everything is Krishna's. How can you give anything? Even a leaf?
Oh, yes, yes. That's like these boys and girls are giving. That is the philosophy. These boys, girls, they are giving everything, whole life. Whole life. They do not ask even a single pice from me. My dear sir, please give me 4 hours, I'll go to the cinema. You see, they are serving. Everything they have given. This boy, you like this Giriraj, he is earning at least 50,000 per month. Not a single pice, even 50 NP he does not keep. This is service. They are not poor. They are earning. But everything for Krishna. Yeah. 50,000. Because 50 members. 50 members. 1,100 rupees. He makes at least 2-3 members. If somebody has that, average 50. 50,000. Not a single 50 NP he keeps. There are many, all of them. Not that everyone is earning 50,000, but even 50, 100 or 55, everything for Krishna. That is Tamaprajna. And if you divide partially, some percentage for Krishna, some percentage for my sense gratification, then Krishna says, Je jathavan prapadyanti tam tathaiva bhajam. Proportionately. If you have spent 7% of your energy for Krishna, Krishna is 7% for you. And if you have spent 1% for Krishna, Krishna is 1%. Responsive cooperation. Yes. This institution has advanced so much all over the world because we have got these boys who have dedicated everything for Krishna. Therefore they are so quickly advanced all over the world. They do not think of anything of personal. Anatama Bhajya. Samsiddhi Haritoshanam. Krishna is also. Samsiddhi means perfection. Samsiddhi Paramangata.
What is Samsiddhi actually?
Samsiddhi means perfect perfection. Sammak perfection.
What is perfection?
Perfection means you are living entity. You are living entity. You are rotting in this material world. Get free from this material world. Go back to home. That is Samsiddhi. We are suffering so much on account of being in the material world. Pitar Jantana, threefold miseries. And everyone is trying to get out of the miseries, but that is not possible in the material world. Therefore, you get your spiritual form, and go back to Krishna and dance with him. That is Samsiddhi. Takta dehang punarjanma naiti mameti konja. This is it. After giving us this body, no more accepting any more material body. Then is zero? No, mameti. He comes to me to dance with me, to play with me. That is something. Kitapunna punya. When Sukadeva Goswami was describing the cowherd's boy playing with Krishna, he described, Ittang Brahma Sukhanubhutya, Ittang Satanga Brahma Sukhanubhutya, Dasangatanang Paradayutena, Maya Sitanang Naradarakena, Sadhang Bijarahu, Kritapunna Punya. These boys, these cowherd boys, they have accumulated Kirtapunna Punya, heaps of pious activities. Therefore they are now allowed to play with Krishna. Kritapunna punya, not ordinary thing. So, the impartialists, they cannot understand. What is this? Playing with Krishna, cowherd boy. But here it is a Kritapunna punya. This is not ordinary thing. Ittang brahma sukhanubhutya satam. Those who are trying to appreciate Brahma Sukha, for them, here is the supreme truth, Krishna. And dasangatanang paradaivatena, and those who have accepted to become the servant of the Lord, for them here is the supreme personality of God. And mayasitanang nardarakena mudha, mayasitanang, they are thinking, he is Krishna, ordinary boy, what is this? But they are playing. These boys are playing with him. Why? Kritapunna punya. Of many lives, 5 activities, they have come to this position. Kritapunna punya. Maya sitanang narudharate. Hare Krishna. Understand Krishna and to engage himself in the service of the Lord, it requires a qualification completely. Jesam antagatam papam. Janana punnaka. Those are simply, this is the first punna karma, to engage one's life's activities only for the service of Krishna. That is the greatest punna karma. And material punna karma, a little discrepancy, just like the Nirga, what is that? He was very charitable, distributing cows, and little mistake, he had to become an alligator. Yes.
Then, yes. And he fell into that
Well.
And that those boys came and Krishna saved him.
Daily thousands of cows he was distributing.
And one day Brahmin's cow was wrongfully given.
So this material,
Brahman was like this.
past activities like that, there is risk. There is risk.
Shall we go there?
Acha? We shall go a little more. Little more, let us go. Kritapunna punya.
कल से जल्दी जल्दी महाराज साहब को उठाओ.
नहीं, हम तो उठ जाता है. बाकी वो to start when there is little light, not in the darkness.
Before we were starting earlier, we started at 6. Now we are doing at 6:30.
Not 6:30.
Real pleasure is really very fine here. We come here at 5.
They want to come when there is little light. I can come at 2 o'clock.
Shall I come Monday?
Everyone
Shall I
knows.
come Monday at 3 o'clock and break
Yes,
your
anytime. I get up at 1 o'clock. Everyone knows.
I get up at 3 o'clock and read. One day I
So
come and
you are
read in
late
the room.
riser than me. I rise at 1 o'clock.
And you go to bed at 12?
No,
9 o'clock.
no. I go to bed between 10 to 11.
I go to bed at 9:30. I must go to bed early.
Yeah.
Otherwise I can't get up.
All right, let us. Dal, chapati, roti.
Oh, Brahmin. He had a very good cook that day. I don't know how he ran away or you sacked him.
Now sometimes they smoke bidi, that is the
in the
difficulty.
presence of the in the kitchen itself.
But
That is
they
why
do all sorts of.
That is the difficulty.
we
We
don't
don't,
allow them to do it.
and they'll drink tea, smoke.
They always drink, they all cook. They won't
that
like
that
me.
is the difficulty. That we do not want to set such bad examples. Hindu system is very hygienic. Yes.
Extremely hygienic. This is the WCs also.
Everything.
They must be kept extremely clean. Some of the WCs, they must have those glazed tiles.
These European American fire, They give up their smoking habit, drinking tea habit, all habit, meat eating, immediate. But if we ask any Indian, he has to consider for 3 generations.
That is because they have been so trained from childhood, you know.
No, they have been trained from childhood, meat eating, drinking wine, drinking tea, smoking, illicit sex. But they give up immediately.
But in hygiene also will have to be our way. The hygiene is taught in India, in
They are observing hygienic principle as far as possible.
Yeah.
The only thing is, they require little guidance, concept, that I am not this body.
That's right. So then the mosquitoes also have no body.
Huh?
Mosquitoes are
And they tolerate. Actually they tolerate. Because they actually think that I am not this body. Let the mosquito bite my body.
So mosquitoes are also no body.
Narottam Das Thakur says, Deha smriti nahi jar, sangsar bandhan kahata. One he is beyond the conception of body, he has no obligation of these material things. Just like there are many sadhus, they simply remain naked body. Even in severe cold,
But then they have
They practice.
They have reached that avadut dasha.
so this is also avadit dasha.
That stage you must reach.
No,
Yeah.
somehow or other they have gone to some extent. Never mind the mosquito, let bite. I am not this body.
Like to
Huh?
hypnotize
Huh?
them.
Actually they are doing, although we see that from bodily point of view they have become weak, but they don't care for it. They see, if they had been weak, how they are chanting and dancing Sankirtan. They are not weak at all. ऐसा डांस नहीं कर सकता मोटा मोटा.
अब घुघरा थोड़ा लाओ बनता ही ना पड़ता. हाँ. Yes, yes. that's
Now let me dance, and then I shall jump over your head. This is philosophy. Now I am Das, and then I become your master.
How can you be master when I am nothing? When I am Das, then I will be nothing before you.
And that is voidism. You are something, or you are nothing.